Brazil as wife, house.
Are you a South African? Hey, come here. How are you?
Good.
Well, what's your name?
Yeah, Yannick.
Yannick.
I'm a foreigner.
Come here. Let us help you.
Yeah.
My brother.
Yeah.
My brother, can you please help me here?
Yeah.
Can you please help me here? Let's make an arrest, please.
Oh, what?
Please.
What?
Yeah, let's go, my brother. Let's go. We're being arrested. Hey, chief, wait here. Akira, proud man, came to the country illegal. Go there. Last time. Where are your papers? How did you come to South Africa?
A long time.
Yeah?
I say a long time.
Long time when? How did you get here?
Yeah?
How did you get here?
Where?
In South Africa. How did you get to South Africa?
Hey, Malume, hey.
Yeah, but you must be arrested this one.
Sorry.
Sorry for what?
I lost the paper, then Pretoria. I lose just now.
You are arrested. You are being arrested now. We are taking you to the van. Magambe lo muntu sake muthi I'm a proud makwere. You are going. You are going. Let's go, chief. Let's go. Arrested. Let's go. Last talk too much. Let's go. Very last talk. Very last talk. You're proud what? Tingo playing here. South Africans sanibonani, siyasebenza thina ebusuku. Hey bathi ama foreigners walayishile ke manje. Alayishiwa ayahamba ama foreigners agcwele lapha yaboshiwe, uyabona nesefo sesibophiwe. Angeke ngivaveza ama officials nenumber plate kodwa ayahamba. Ubona ngeenyawo ukuthi ama officials kuyaboshwa ke manje akudlalwa. Bayahamba bafethu. Dala. Nali iveni elibophayo. Kuyahanjwa manje. No, well done Home Affairs. Bafethu, well done. Noma imvula ina. No, well done bafethu, well done. The country must be protected.
Zimbabwe who are being killed every day when they are trying to cross Beitbridge border post without passport. Right now, this is passport. It's 5,000 rand. Do you think every Zimbabwean how can they get money to get that passport?
5,000 rand.
It's 5,000 rand.
Crossing
And
border without fight.
some of them, they can't afford to pay even rent and kukus where they are staying. We are here in South Africa. We are here in South Africa, not by choice. We are struggling right now. Like some of us, we start knowing machine here in South Africa. In Zimbabwe, we don't know that. You guys, you are looting public funds. One thing we can tell you, it's homeland or death. This is the journey begins now. Not like we're gonna stop here. We are going to Zimbabwe. If you're gonna kill us, you're gonna kill us. And I call all South African police, please, arrest everyone, Zimbabwean. We have passport. Who doesn't have passport? We need to go. We need to go. Because like what we are doing here, even right now, when they call us, let's go and do this. They said like they're fine because they are staying, they have a good life in South Africa. You understand? How about their kids? How about their kids? I call on South African immigration. Call everyone. Arrest everyone. You do have passport. You don't have passport. Arrest us. We need to go. Like in 1976, South Africans did. And us, Zimbabwe, it's our time to go and die. We can't be cowards like we come here in South Africa right now. We need to go and do it in our country. This is our last time to march here in South Africa. We have to take it to Zimbabwe. Enough is enough. We are tired. We are tired. In Shona, kusiri kufande kubi. Imimi mburikuja mchiguta. How about fellow Zimbabweans? You get paid. Kwa isusu. If you go to Parinyata hospital, we don't have medicines in our hospital. But you guys, you are buying cars. How about fellow Zimbabwe? And it's homeland or death. Thank you so much.
Khumuka isiqoko khumuka umakarapa amathacontsele entshebeni hile siyaqandula. Today's episode yesiqandulo is brought to you by Kiwaro Belly Plus Tea. It's a tea yoqeda imkhaba ushamkhaba ushonele. Namhlanje siqala nje singena ngo sicela okuhle mfoka kaGumede unxaka ubhande lomshini kaZuma uRoyal Lion Raw ethi aya phamaphoyisa mana ngiqale kahle ngoba induni bizinsizwa wani aya phamaphoyisa amaphoyisa ya hola kanjalo unxaka insizwa ngale empangeni edondotha suke lapho ke singena kule nsizwa uyabona if ekuthiwa limlahlile la kubo was a person hayi lenkabi lena hayi limlahlile impela la kubo ukusukela nje inkinga nje ayisukelele i-deportation azisukela ijele lihlalele aqhamuke nje azosuka azongena nje ku live makore hayi bu kahleni bu ubani lona wazwaphapha umuntu kwazwamgaxelisa ukuphapha hayi bu khuzeka nsizwa khuzeka jongo suke lapho ke singena ku Honorable Thulani Shongwe on the ground working walishiya le parliament wathi ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi le insizwa ziyadeporta manje wayongumuntu selibona ibhasi la Home Affairs nale liya deporta uthi angizubaveza ama official ngizoveza inyawo kuphela uyobona ngebhlue ukuthi cha ama official lawo hayi konakele na insizwa ke yale Zimbabwe hola insizwa zangakubo uhola amabhungu hola insizwa uthi back home bafowethu sambeni siyafuneka lekha ukuthi siyolwelizwe singazolibala i-nice life la South Africa so sithi South Africa kunje kumnandi kunjani South Africa 1976 balwa intsha yalwelizwe labo thina senzeni eZimbabwe let's go home uthwa noma nibona noma ubani waseZimbabwe une permit akana permit une visa akana visa bopha aphoyisa bopha uthwa bopha back eZimbabwe bawulela country yabo na umna mngagwa ngale no Ramaphosa benza ama shady deals yonke lonto bathi ke asambe siyolwela izwe lethu libuye back to ezandleni zentsha cela ungasubscribe alike sibonge kulabo sebenza ubulungiswa sithi nje sisukuma nokuthi bongela lititandla litula khanda awu siyabonga sibonga kakhulu izandla lidlula ikhanda nganza kwethi sithi nje niqhubeke njalo lo nilandelile i-channel yethu ni-subscribe ni-like ni-follow shibirishi siyashibilika danko I'm out